In my video guide, I would like to help you clearly understand the danger of extension called diving info. The problem with this extension for Microsoft Edge browser is that it is spread through misleading pop-ups. For instance, right now we see this pop-up by the site install great swift info file.info, and this pop-up is presented as some important Edge update. It says click install to continue, and when people click on install button they get this pop-up message saying that they need to install this diving info extension. The problem is that this is not really fair, because this is obviously a fake Microsoft Edge browser update. It is not something decent. This diving info extension actually may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. The developers of the extension claim that it can help you become a professional scuba diver, but the reality is that the extension actually may hijack some of your browser settings, and it may also function as adware by showing a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit. So we definitely condemn such illegal methods of promoting this extension, because this is really a scary message presented as some Edge update, which is not true. So please be careful. Don't tolerate this extension, and if it was mistakenly added to your Microsoft Edge browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. So this is the way you can do it. Go to the menu, click on extensions. When you find this diving info extension, click on this button and choose the option to remove it from Microsoft Edge browser. Finally, I would also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus to make sure that your system is free of other possibly hidden threats. You may get Combo Cleaner on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin thoroughly investigating and researching your computer with its help to detect and delete other possibly hidden threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.